The Law of Desire. This is a very interesting book by Shahla Heri, published by the Royal Book Company, Karachi in 1992. It was a cold December day, most probably December 1995, when I first met the owner of Royal Book Company. This was somewhere in one of the many bookshops at the Temple Road in Lahore. My emotional attachment with Temple Road goes back to 1978, but now the source of that attachment has moved to another place in Lahore. Around the same time, I bought two books published by Royal Book Company. One was about Sheikh Mujib's 6 points, and the second being the volume under discussion. Muta'ah or CJ or temporary marriage is somewhat unexplored area of Islamic fiqh. Shahla Heri, the granddaughter of an Iranian Shiite Ayatollah who teaches in the US, has no doubt rendered a great service to knowledge of Islamic law by writing a much needed book on Muta'ah. She has aptly selected the title Law of Desire for the book. Shala has done exhaustive research on her subject and deserves 100% marks for doing so. Muta'ah is a temporary marriage contract in which a man and an unmarried woman, virgin, widow, or divorcee, decide how long they want to stay married to each other, from 1 hour to 99 years, and how much money is to be given to the temporary wife. This form of marriage is legal in Iran. Shahla Heri obtained her PhD in cultural anthropology from the University of California at Los Angeles. She was a pre-doctoral fellow at the Pembroke Center for Teaching and Research on Women at the Brown University in 1986-87, and later served as research associate at the Center for Middle Eastern Studies at the Harvard University. Shahla starts with a detailed explanation of the philosophy of Muta'ah and its theoretical concept. She goes on to relate theory to practice. She differentiates Muta'ah from Nikah, which is permanent marriage, exploring the various legal ambiguities and the blank areas. She describes in considerable details the rules for gender relationship in Islam. She then explains that Muta'ah is not an Islamic innovation created for the well-being of the community of believers. She also describes the various types of Muta'ah marriages, like those associated with travel, those associated with pilgrimage, those associated with financial support. She describes in detail the transformation that Iran has seen in pre-revolutionary and post-revolutionary period as far as Muta'ah is concerned. She then describes in detail the viewpoint of various Shiite ulama about Muta'ah. These include Ayatollah Sharif Madari, Mullah Hashim, Hujjatul Islam Buzurgi, Mullah Amin Aqa, Mullah Pak, etc. Most interesting are the various interviews of men and women who have undergone Muta'ah. Shahla's conclusions are very interesting. Shahla's conclusions are equally interesting and thought-provoking. Temporary marriage often bestows them, the women, masculine protection, nor with social prestige, unquote. Shala Hari must be congratulated for fathoming a very uncharted area of Islamic theology. Her book is useful for research, scholars, layman readers, and all who intend visiting Iran in the near future.